Introducing the innovative new H2O Floss Water Flosser. New technology, new design, new experience. A user-friendly on-off switch button. An adjustable water pressure handle. Made from food-grade materials. 2 separate storage compartments, one for storage of tips and the other for water. The sophisticated mechanical device forces a powerful pulsating stream of water over gingival tissue and teeth, with the goal of removing unattached debris. It thoroughly cleans your teeth and massages your gums. A whopping 12 multifunctional flosser tips designed to tackle the needs of your entire family. The H2O Floss proves that you don't need to sacrifice convenience if you want a quieter unit. Your ultimate oral care. The H2O Floss Water Flosser.
The waterpik water flosser is the easy and more effective way to floss. Before using your new cordless express, you will need to install the batteries. To get started, remove the reservoir from the device. Next, remove the battery door by twisting counterclockwise and pulling. Once the battery door has been removed, insert 3 AA batteries and replace the door by lining up the arrows, pushing and twisting clockwise. Now, reinstall the reservoir and fill it with warm water. Next, insert a tip firmly until it clicks into place. To remove or change the tip, press the eject button located on the top of the water flosser. To start water flossing, place the tip in your mouth. Lean over the sink and slide the pressure switch to the lowest setting. Turn the pressure to the setting that feels most comfortable to you. The cordless express has a low and high setting. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing, but still allow water to run freely from your mouth into the sink. To avoid mess, don't look in the mirror while water flossing. Look into the sink. For best results, aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Starting with the back teeth, follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. After completing the front and back, clean the bottom teeth in the same way. The cordless express water flosser is waterproof, so it may be used in the shower. All it takes is a minute a day to get healthier gums, brighter teeth, and fresher breath.